Make sure the harnesses are double-checked and secured properly before you climb.
Yes, Supervisor. Everything is secure.
This batch is excellent. Mark it for immediate shipment.
Ready. Lift together now. All right, easy does it.
Watch your step inside. Clear. Keep them coming. All secured and verified. Manifest signed off.
Looks good. Give the driver the signal. Let's get this shipment moving.
Keep coming straight. Watch the pallet on the right. All right, set for the line.
Watch the flow on the left. Bring the next stack up now. Clear the conveyor. Quickly.
Calibration complete.
Sensors are green across the board. Ready for extraction.
The flow rate is steady at 500 liters per hour.
Confirmed. Purity levels are optimal.
Minutes. Machines use suction to pull water. Fast and efficient liquid collection. Sealed environment maintained.
The pressure is holding steady on all 3 lines. Good. Let's maintain this flow rate for the next hour. Turbidity levels are dropping significantly after the coarse filter.
Agreed. The sample looks good. We are clear for the next stage.
Stateless. Fine filters remove tiny impurities. Multiple layered filtration system working. Water passes through ultra-thin brains.
The safety parameters are all within tolerance.
Confirmed. We are ready for stage 2 approval.
Acidity is slightly high, 6.2. The coconut profile will be off. Adjusting now, monitoring the balance, looks stable at 6.0. Final confirmation, quality consistency maintained. Look at the stability here, right on target.
Yes, batch complete and safe. We are cleared for transfer.
Hot coconut water rapidly cooled. Chilled system reduces temperature. Cooling pipes surround liquid tanks. Steam gradually disappears. Temperature levels are stable across all units. Confirmed.
Safety protocols are fully engaged.
Air and UV cleaning system active. Bottles rotated during cleaning. Quality sensors scanning bottles. Preparation complete.
Yield is holding steady at 99.8%. Good. Let's keep an eye on the pneumatic pressure.
Each bottle tested for leakage. Remains apply fly for leak washed immediately. Quality assurance out.
Rejected bottles automatically separated. Sensors detect incorrect sealing or fill. Mechanical arm removes faulty items. Conveyor continues without interruption. Pallet 72, finished scanning. Confirmed on my end. Shipment details verified. Inventory levels updated instantly.
No leakage, no defects here. Looks good.
Quality assurance confirmed. This batch is cleared for export.
Watch your height. All right, set it down right there.
Export approved. Shipment confirmed.